Southern contemporary style basement ranch home on over 3 acres of low maintenance property. This custom crafted home has a voluminous living room/dining room combination with a 2-story fireplace and great natural light. The oversized kitchen completes this open concept plan with a large island, breakfast area and a private screened-in porch. 3 bedrooms on the main level. 1 is currently being used as an office, including a large master bedroom/bathroom with a frameless glass shower and garden tub. The laundry is in the cedar-lined master bedroom closet. Proceed downstairs to a huge unfinished walkout basement with tons of potential. Retreat to your oversized white oak barn/workshop or enjoy the views/privacy of your decks and patio. Single-story living at its best with room to grow.